Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 21st June 2021. In the international market, the US market, the fall in the US Treasury yield continued on Friday as well due to Chinese government's crackdown on inflation. Chinese government, worried about inflation, had announced that they will auction the national stock for base and industrial industries, limiting the upside. The US 10-year closed 7 basis points down at 1.45 percentage points, and 30-year also closed 10 basis points down at 2.01 percentage points on Friday. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at 74.06 per barrel and short-term range for crude is 70 to 75. In the currency market, dollar index is at 92.23. Today's range for dollar index is 91.80 to 92.46. DXY will face a challenge above 92.68, and we do not see much upside in dollar now. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 645. USD INR with a high of 74.27 closed at 73.86. USD INR's range for today seems to be 73.90 to 74.30. Due to further strength in dollar index on Friday, USD INR will be weaker today as well. But we are seeing USD INR fails to close above 74, and it may be the case today as well. In the domestic market, let's start with Friday 18th June 2021 GSEC auction analysis. For 563 2026, the cutoff was at 560. Out of rupees 11,000 crore notified amount, rupees 2,778 crore were devolved on PDs. For 664 GS 2035, the cutoff was at 668. Green shoe option of rupees 2,500 crore extra borrowing. GOI FRB 2033 at 492, 667 GS 2050 at 702. Inference: Number 1. RBI set the cap for 563 2026 at 560 by devolving on PDs. So the yields will not go below 560 yields. By devolving, it has also sent a signal that 526 2030 will be the next candidate for GSEP 2.0 first tranche. Hence, 563 GS 2026 at 565 and above is a good buy. Number 2. 664 2035 at 668 with a green shoe option of rupees 2005 crore means there is an ample demand at 668 percentage points. We may not see further fall in 664 2035, which we have seen recently in the yields when yields rose from 660 to 668. With Friday's GSEC auction, 585 GS 2033 closed at 585 GS 2030 closed at 602 versus 602 the previous trading day. 563 2026 closed at 561 versus 566 the previous trading day. A trading range for 585 2030 for this week seems to be 6 to 605. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.